Hi there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam and 59th video of our PTC Creo Parametric Complete Course series. In this video, we are going to talk about Cosmetic Sketch. And if you want to find it, here you can see I am already in PTC Creo Parametric Part Modeling environment. All we need to do is we need to go to Model tab and then in Engineer Group, you can find it just the way we found Cosmetic Thread in our last video. Now let's talk more about this cosmetic sketch and why do we use it. A cosmetic sketch is a non-solid 2D sketch added to your model for informational or representational purpose. It doesn't affect the actual geometry or physical feature but serve as a visual cue to convey additional design detail. Think it of a design note directly embedded in your model. Now let's also talk about some of purpose of cosmetic sketch, and as I mentioned, it is used to represent feature without adding geometry. Then you can also utilize it to streamline design communication. For example, instead of adding extra geometry or annotation in your drawing, you can use cosmetic sketch to represent these details directly in your 3D model. And let me quickly create one feature and we're going to utilize in that 3D model. So for example, let's pick the rectangle and I'm gonna extrude it. Okay, and let's go with this shading with edges. Now on the top I would like to add cosmetic sketch, and for that I can quickly go here in engineering tab and then let me select this cosmetic sketch plane and then click on sketch. Now I can create this sketch, so it could be anything. I'm gonna create it anything, and it really doesn't matter whether it is closed or open because as the name suggests, it is just a cosmetic sketch. Now if I try to add extrude here on the top, I may not be able to do it because this is only for visual purpose, and here we can also see a clear picture of it, and that too without altering any solid model. It can also be used to provide guidelines for process like cutting, welding, drilling, and so on. And again, let me add one more cosmetic sketch here, and this time I would like to write here. Okay, so for that I can use this text tool, and I'm gonna mention here engineering with Pritam, which in short can be EWP. And now let me again place it here, and there we go. So in this way guys, we can add cosmetic sketch in our PTC Creo parametric environment. Not only that, we also understood what is cosmetic sketch and purpose and use case of it. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow more such tips and tricks. And also do check out our complete PTC Creo parametric course that is available in YouTube and in the description of this video. And I will catch you soon with just another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.